session.
Today we had a great session of
I'm very much excited.
So today we had a great session of paid marketing.
Hi, this is Pradeep and I am a marketing manager. I have recently decided that I would like to change my domain to digital marketing in particular. And today the session that we have here, is amazing. Like we learned about the different aspects of digital marketing like social media marketing, search engine marketing and all those things, not forgetting about social media optimization and stuff. So I learned that how we have to differentiate between the marketing sense and the digital marketing sense, because though they are very similar, the target acquisition or the audience definition is definitely quite different. So we learned how to run the different types of ads, how to select the different types of keywords, the different nuances of the game and all that stuff, along with social media where we learned the different trends that are really going on, because as you know in digital it's all about trend analysis and application of the same. So I definitely love this session. I hope that I have learned a lot. I will be able to apply them on my own, and definitely I'm looking forward to more sessions like this.
Hi, my name is Suham and I am a digital marketing trainee. So today we had a great session of paid marketing and social media marketing. In paid marketing, what I learned is there is 3 or 4 types of markets basically. And in social media marketing, we also learned the latest trend which is going on. And recently Facebook is coming up with Facebook Spaces, which is a new thing for me. And actually I learned a lot of things, and it was a very interactive session since I am very new to the digital industry. So it was a very insightful thing for me, and I actually loved this session. Thank you DMU for organizing it.
This is Sunil from Indus TechShu, and I am a PPC expert here. And I have joined the today's session and learned a lot of things from the session. And the most important thing is digital marketing is very much scalable for every point. So whatever you are investing and whatever you are getting, everything is scalable.
Today we had a great session of PPC as well as social media. In PPC, we have learned the overall business overview of how PPC works and how it helps in achieving our goals. That was important for us because on our day-to-day life we are in an environment where digital is everywhere. So in that environment is very much important to know each and every part of this particular segment, or we can say particular domain. So this particular session will help us in coordinating better with the or communicating better with the clients, as well as it will help us in getting much more clarity in the subject we are working on. So that was very much helpful for us. For social media as well, Pratik was there. He helped us to know new updates on what exactly coming up and what will be the trend in future. And this will also help us in getting an idea of how we can strategize for our clients and how can we proceed with our work on day-to-day life. That was a great session. Thank you.
So today we had a very wonderful session on social media. Pratik has shared so many insights about social media that we got to learn new things, and also we understand how the people behavior has changed across different social media channels, which surely help us to plan us better for projects, strategies and planning. So we are looking towards to more sessions like this.